Hi guys, no school today, a snow day, and it's true. There's not gonna be school today. I'm not planning or thinking about giving you an assignment. However, I wanna drop this review of chapter 4 for the upcoming test that we have very soon. I don't know exactly when that's gonna be, because this week is going to be a little iffy with the home leave and the trip to Washington Adventist University Music Festival. But still, I'm just going to have this review here that I was planning to do today, to give you heads up and where to a place to go to review those terms and concepts of chapter 4. Okay, so let's move on here in Google Classroom, chapter 4, revisión del capítulo parte 1. Esta es la parte número 1. Entonces, ejemplo, eh, identificar, identify si el verbo está en presente, en past o en imperfect past, imperfect tense. So, in this sentence, for instance, Mateo era un estudiante. Is in present, in past, or in imperfect. Era is imperfect time, imperfect tense of to be. So here you go. You select C. And there are similar examples and exercises that you can practice, because the test is going to give you sentences just like that. The other one is, in other words, how would be the following other verbs? Por ejemplo, vivir, vivía, yo vivía, él vivía. Viajar, viajaba, to travel. Ser, era, que ya lo estudiamos, we already studied. Trabajar, trabajaba. Ver, veía, to see, I used to see, I used to watch. Levantarse, to get up, so me levantaba. You put the me if it's in first person, o te levantabas if it's second person, but so it's a combination of both, the reflexive. Me levantaba, yo me levantaba todos los días. Ok, desayunaba, etc. Vocabulary del parque de diversiones, theme park. Okay, what is the terminology that I want you to review? Okay, desfile, parade, palomitas de maíz, popcorn, carros chocones, bumping cars. Malabarista, those who do acrobatics, like gymnastics people is considered malabarista because they do this acrobatic move. Payaso, clown, montaña rusa, the roller coaster, la rueda de Chicago, Ferris wheel, el boleto, where the ticket actually that you buy, that's the name, boleto, and you buy boletos as well to travel in an airplane, or you buy boletos to enter into a theater, or you buy boletos to go in a trip on a train. And taquilla is where you purchase the boletos. That's where you purchase the boletos. All right. Algunos adjetivos, some adjectives that have been related to the vocabulary of animals. So, feroz, ferocious, divertido, funny, viejo, old, pobre, poor, poco, poco, little, rápido, fast, amable, kind or gentle, bueno, good, malo, bad, grande, big. Y the diminutive or exaggeration of the opposite that attached to that word. For example, ito versus ote. Ito for small, ote for big. If you say burrito is a small donkey, but you say burrote, big donkey. In fact, if you those in Chipotle, those are not burritos; those are burrotes because they are always super big. Now, ísimo is an exaggeration of the extreme, whatever the situation is. Even though if the carro, for example, is small, carrito. Okay, well, and carrote, big car, small carrito. But the ísimo is an exaggeration of qualification adjective like big, grande. So we got grande, big, grandote, bigger, and grandissimo, uh, way, way, way huge, big. Uh, like for example, lento is something that, or a vehicle that is slow. Lentito, a little bit lento. Lentote, very lento. O lentissimo, extremely lento. Enfermo, sick. Enfermito, little bit sick. Enfermote, big sick. But enfermissimo is someone who is extremely sick all the time. Now, note these exaggerations and diminutive and the opposites, they do not apply to all the words. But the examples that I'm giving you here are the ones that we can start memorizing. Like for rico, something delicious, is very common to see and to find that something is riquísimo. Wow, super delicious, riquísimo. I love that. Etc. So let's go to the animals. The animals. So we have studied mainly the wild animals, los animales salvajes, pero vamos a estudiar también los animales domésticos, the domestic animals. So de los domésticos tenemos el conejo, the bunny, el gallo, the rooster, el pato, the duck, el cerdo, el pig, la gallina, the hen, el pollo, chicken, caballo, horse, oveja, sheep, cabra, goat, perro, dog, vaca, cow, toro, bull, and the wild animals, salvajes, animales salvajes, tenemos entonces el león, el tigre, la jirafa, el hipopótamo, la hiena, el cocodrilo, la culebra, the serpent o serpiente, is the same name, rinoceronte, the rhino, venado es el deer, el venado, la rata is the rat. I just put it in this list. I know nowadays could be arguable that rats are domestics or wild. I don't know exactly what they are, but to me they are wild. Even though some people have rats as pets now, but anyway, so I just think that they are like that. So let's see here in the material what else we have. Oh no, that's pretty much what we have for this review. And consider the adjective that have to do with animals as well, that like fast, slow, and those that are in chapter 4. Okay, so this would be kind of a revision, and yes, I think that I miss here, and for that let me just add, and I'm just gonna do it right there on the spot here. Let me see if I can add these descriptions. Oh no, they are here. Adjective and if diminutive opuestos. Feroz, ferocious, divertido. I think, yeah, we went through this already. And this adjective, like pobre, poco, rápido, fast, amable, kind. Yeah, those keep in mind that they are gonna be there. Okay, so I'm gonna post this in the February 2, which is February week 2, and here you go. Okay, espero que disfrutes tu snow day. En español, nosotros no tenemos la palabra. We don't have the word snow day because in most of the Latin American countries, we don't have snow. So there is no snow days there. Neither we have the word. So en español, how do you say snow day in Spanish? Snow day. O podría decir día de la nieve, but we don't have it. So at least in the central part of America and the equatorial part of South America. While in the south of South America, Chile, Argentina, and some parts of South Brazil, I believe, There might be snow, and I'm sure Argentina does and Chile too, the very south part, but we don't. The rest of Latin America, we don't have it, so we don't know. So I'm still. Que tengas un feliz snow day. Disfrútalo y bueno, ya está aquí esta revisión para la próxima vez que tengamos clase. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy.